Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the session indicator on TradingView to spot the most active trading times. First of all, open TradingView and load the chart of the market you want to analyze. After that, go to the top of the chart and click on the Indicators tab. Next, in the search bar, type Session Indicator. Look for the one you prefer, like the popular option by Lux Algo, and click to add it to your chart. The session blocks will appear showing different trading sessions, such as the Asian, Sydney, London, and New York sessions. After that, open the indicator settings to customize it. You can adjust the transparency, colors, and which sessions are displayed. For example, you can make less important sessions more transparent or change the session highlight colors to your preference. Once set, the sessions will appear clearly on your chart, helping you identify the most active times to trade. This makes it easier to spot periods of higher volatility and avoid trading when the market is quiet. And that's it. That's how to use the session indicator on TradingView. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more trading tips.